Mastering the phrase, come inside, in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, come inside. This phrase is used frequently in everyday conversations, and understanding its nuances is key for English learners. Let's dive into the different contexts and meanings of come inside. Come inside is a straightforward invitation or request. It's used when someone is outside a building or room and you want them to enter. For example, if it's raining and a friend is at your door, you might say, "Come inside and stay dry." This section will cover various everyday scenarios where this phrase is applicable. Sometimes, come inside can have a more figurative meaning. It might be used to invite someone into a group, conversation, or even into a more personal emotional space. In this section, we'll look at examples like, come inside the circle, and let's start the game. Or, I want you to come inside my world and understand my views. English is rich in variations and similar phrases. Here, we'll explore phrases like, step inside, come on in, or enter. We'll examine how these are similar to, yet subtly different from, come inside. For instance, step inside might be more formal, while come on in is more casual. English is spoken differently around the world. This section will focus on how come inside is pronounced in various English dialects, such as American, British, and Australian English. We'll also look at regional variations in usage, like how in some areas, come inside might be used more frequently in certain contexts. Understanding the phrase, come inside, is a great step in mastering everyday English. Whether it's used literally or figuratively, knowing this phrase can help you navigate social situations more effectively. We hope this video has been helpful in your English learning journey. See you in the next one.